Alright guys, so I drive by this place every time I go to the western part of the state. And I didn't realize all this was here, all the old gas pumps and everything. But, wow, look at this. I've been waiting all day to come by this because it is just so neat. So not only do they have all the gas pumps, but if you look in the distance, there's some old trucks. Oh wow, that's an old airplane. Okay. Look at all the old gas pumps and trucks. This is so cool. Wow. This is awesome. This is neat. Look at the old tractor with the planter on the back. That's kind of cool. Oh, hole. I found a hole. So when we go by here on the highway, you're doing 60 miles an hour and you can't really get a good look. So I've been waiting all day to stop and see this. This is so neat. And see them all along the highway. And all the tractors. See if I can zoom. Wow. That's so cool. I walked down there, but there's a ditch right there and there's a footbridge and everything. But I'm afraid of snakes, so. Oh, I didn't even realize it. Indian motorcycles. That's kind of cool. Another one up on the hill. Wow. That's cool.